This video we're looking at Lesson 5 variables in code.org, and this is a practice activity where we're debugging and we're adding in variables here. So if we kind of read through this, it just says something strange happened to the program. All the variable names at the top of the code got erased. Luckily, the variable names are still being used in the rest of the program. Can you fix the program by putting the correct variable names in the correct spots at the top of the code? Okay, so if we look at our code here, we can see that we've got our variables and they have no names in them. But if we look down here, we've got variable names, and you can use a variable name for a fill color as well. So in this case, like color 1 would potentially be green. And if we run this, oh, the variable names aren't going to work anyway. So we're going to, well, let's go ahead and first, we know that size here, so wherever we see 100 is going to have this size. And again, it's always important that you check to make sure the spelling of your variables. Okay, so that'll fix all of those down here. We'll get rid of this. And then we have color 1, color 2, and color 3. Now, it says, red right here. And then, you have green and orange. So we can give these a try. So let's go ahead and we'll just name this, or we'll call this color 1. And we'll call this one color 2. And we'll call this one color 3. Now they might not match up. We might have them in the wrong order here because we're really not sure what this is, but let's take a look. So we do want to look over here, and we can see that we've got these out of order, right? So we have green, red, and orange, and we want red, orange, and green. So what we need to do is actually do, this is color 3. This one is correct. No, this one's not correct. Red should be the very first one. So this should be color 1. And then the orange should be color 2. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got going on here. Oops. Can't very well do that, can we? There we go. So we have color 3, which is green, just right down here. So we have this matching. So that's kind of how you fix those, and just kind of, if you look through how those are written there. All right, hopefully that helps you with your variables. And again, with this too, make sure you're typing these correctly, that they match up, and you don't have like a capital C or something like that, because it won't work. Make sure the variables are spelled and are exactly the same, both in terms of text and uppercase and lowercase. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.